Hey everybody, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. And today I'm going to do this cute transfer, but underneath it, my loved vintage truck. I'm actually going to take this off of my 8 in black frame. It's been on here quite a while, but hey, no worries. I've got the transfer so I can put it back on anytime I want. Now to get this off, you just spray water, and I'm going to use the Big Daddy squeegee, but you don't need this. You could just use a wipe or a paper towel with water and wipe it off. But since it's been on here for quite a while, I am using what you see right here is our board eraser. It helps getting the ghosting effect off, especially certain colors more than others, but if it's been on there a while, it can leave a little bit of a shadow. This will take it right off. I'm taking it out of the package it came in, and it has care instructions on it. I saved that package because after I clean this, I'll put it back on the backing, and it's sticky side of the transfer to the glossy side of the backing. And I'll put it back in that plastic wrap, and that's how I store it. Now when you put this on, just smooth out all the bubbles so you don't get any chalk that's going to seep through. And I'm going to start out with the border, and it's just some white dots. So I need a small squeegee, so I'm using what I call my hockey stick because it looks like one, but it's actually called a multi-purpose tool. So I'm getting all the white around the edges. I'm not too worried about overstepping it because I can clean it off before I put the next on. Now in between all of these, I did wash it and let it air dry, and on both sides. And of course you let it air dry sticky side up. It took a little bit longer, but it was a little bit, it was easier for me to get a good results. Now I did the yellow first for the moons, 2 on top and the witch in the middle. And now I am putting, I think it was papaya chalk paste in the corners. Now all I have left is the white. And I did that on all the lettering because white on chalkboard really pops. It really shows off nice. So all I do is take a small squeegee, squeegee it on, take off the excess, and put it back in the jar. You can use it again. And the reveal, she's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Anybody want flying lessons? All right, if you like this, just go to my website at couture.com/Cherie Criswell. Thanks for watching.